Sunday home reset, working in Jody and Brian's yard. The yard work has begun.
Yeah. And since that's on the outside, it probably go on the inside.
Grass is all cut nice. Ouch. The kids are working on their another raised bed.
Here you go, hon.
I need other
That's lined up properly.
thingies.
I started weeding this one. And we have some of those over there that we're going to weed out. And we're going to take all the rocks out of here and fix this bed up. Got a big project.
Yeah.
We're going to tidy up down here. That might be a tiny, who knows.
Oh, for the top too, and then the short.
We have more plants to put in this flower bed.
These are kit places that they make it as easy for people to modify the kits.
There's our gorgeous lilac bush. It's doing so well. Our daylilies are coming up nice, so I'm just going to clean around and get all the dead stuff off. And we'll weed out these planters, which you've seen before if you watch my channel. And we planted stuff in there, but it didn't come back, so we're going to try again this year. That's what we do. Just keep trying. The old ladder we can put stuff on. I'm not sure if that's coming out from there or not. That's got green on it. So this might just grow. I would leave it if it were me. Oh, and here's a kneeling pad. That's what I need. And there's this whole back area here. It needs some loving. Don't know. Anyhow, that's our Sunday home reset this week. We're going to be working in the yard and getting our gardens planted. So that should be good. Should work nice. We went to the store, we bought a bunch of plants. So I'm just going to continue with my weeding. And Jody's going to boil water and we're going to pour it on the strangleweed because it is a nuisance. Goldie's come to join us outside. What are you going to do, Goldie?
So there's two long ones from the top.
Here's all our pretty plants that we picked up at Top Crop the other day.
The two top ones.
And we're going to get planted. And we have big rain clouds coming. But we're going to work until it starts to pour. Welcome everybody who's watching. Welcome new subscribers. Welcome my regular subscribers who watch. And thank you from the bottom of my heart. I really do appreciate all of you. And if you're new here, I would encourage you to subscribe and then you won't miss any of the videos. And we're going to have lots of fun while we're here at Jody and Brian's doing lots of different projects. Anyhow, like I said, please subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and leave me a comment so I know where you're coming from. Okay, the kids got their one bed put together, and now they're trying to decide where the best place would be, so that when Brian does the snow blowing in the winter, it won't be in the way, and grass cutting in the summer. Anyhow, they're just trying it here and there, and I think this is where it's going to end up being. They're going to make the second one, and then they're going to try them both. And they have plans to keep the weeds out, which is fantastic because the strangleweed is just terrible. Anyhow, they're just still trying to figure out where exactly would be the best place. And it's kind of fun to sit and watch them and smell the beautiful lilacs.
The bottom came right off.
Oh, did you?
Guess those baskets are pretty near done.
Yeah.
Well, they served me well. We had them for a good 5-10 years.
Yep.
Oh, I'll go get that ready. Well, that didn't take long.
47 inches. 47 inches? So that's 4 feet almost.
Yeah, you can have.
There you go.
Here, my daughter and I are starting on this bed that's in front of their deck, and it's full of big, big rocks and little rocks, all kinds of rocks, just rocking. Anyhow, we want to take all the rocks out of there and get all the grass and weeds out of there, and that's a clematis in the middle. We're going to leave that, and then Jody is going to put some plywood down, and then she has a couple of round bins that she's made, and they're going to go there, and she's going to put some squash or zucchini in each one. And so we're just clearing out this bed, and it has lots of rocks in it, and it's a lot of fun to get clear. Anyhow, at this time I would like to invite you to subscribe to my channel, and if you like this content, please leave me a comment and a big thumbs up. Anyhow, let's get back to all this rock moving and weeding. Oh, oops. Okay, we've got that flower bed, all the rocks moved out. And we're gonna put a different arbor in there for the clematis. And Jody's gonna put a couple of beds on either side. for some vegetables. So, it's a good job done. And I think that's going to stay right there. Looks like a good place to be. And I got that flower bed over there tidied up too. And this one's just got strangleweed in it that we're pouring hot water on. So, we did pretty good today. That's my Sunday home reset for this week. I hope you enjoyed all this hard work everybody did. Thanks for watching. Bye.